Zion Emmanuel. Zion Emmanuel. Excuse me. Naubo si Mommy. Hello. What are you doing, my baby? It's raining outside. Ano? How are you? Say hi to them. Dali. What my baby wants to say? Opo. With a smiling face. Zion. Show them. This one. Grab this one. Grab that one, anak. Yay! Very good, anak. Oh, grab that one. Take it. Take it. Very good, baby Zion. Yay! What's that, anak? Wait. Oh, take that one. Take it with your two hands. Very good. Yay! Very good. What do you want to say to Mommy? Ay? Ayu. Yes po. Agu. Agu. I like that smile, anak. Agu. Oh, say I love you. Oh, look at Mommy. Here, anak. Oh, opo. You are telling them what? Nak? Hi. Say hi. Hi. Say hi. Oh. Hello. Say hello. Hello. I love you. Say I love you. I love you. Say I love you. I love you. Oy, don't show them your tummy. You're always grasping your shirt. Opo. Wow, very good yan. Opo. It's raining outside, anak, ano? Opo. Later, we will sing, ano? Say bye-bye na, bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Here, anak. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh, do it. Dali na. Imitate what Mommy's doing, dali. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye.